Using our online platform is pretty easy. Let me walk you through in just a few simple steps. Step 1. Go to www.MIBinsure.com, then click on Get a Quick Quote. Step 2. After you've done that, choose where in Jamaica you are, the type of vehicle you drive, and tell us a little about yourself. Step 3. Don't forget to select all the benefits you are entitled to so you can further lower your premium. Step 4. Now, here are some insurance companies competing for your business. Step 5. Would you like financing? Step 6. Okay, don't forget online assistance is just a click away. Step 7. Now you can print your cover note. See, that was pretty easy. Log on to www.MIBinsure.com and experience how you can switch and save with us today.